Have you ever wondered why some guys leave such an impression that makes you want to talk about them again and again? But some guys are forgotten in a minute, and why some women keep thinking about a guy constantly, even when he is not around. The truth is that making a woman miss you is not a game of luck. This is the real thunder of psychology, strategy, and attraction. Guys often think that just playing games or ignoring a woman is enough to make her miss you. But brother, this is absolutely wrong. If you really want a woman to crave your presence, then you have to touch her emotions, in a way that she cannot live without missing you. Today, we will break down all the steps you need to take to make any woman miss you so much that she really goes crazy thinking about you. Whether you are in a new relationship, dealing with long distance, or want to revive an old connection, these strategies will work. Number 1 is the power of absence. It is said that absence makes the heart grow fonder, but it only works if you use it correctly. If you are always available, texting, calling, or present all the time, then how will she get a chance to miss you? The trick here is controlled distance. Sometimes maintain a little distance. Don't message first every time. Give her a chance too so that she can also initiate the conversation. When you step back a little, she starts thinking, hey, where is this guy busy? What is he doing? And yes, unpredictability is also a very useful thing. If you reply to every message immediately or say yes to every request, then she will value you a little less. Instead, pace your interactions a little. Sometimes reply after a while, sometimes be completely unavailable. This creates a mystery which excites her. Now, when will he message? Plus, stay busy in your life. When she sees that you have goals, hobbies, and a full-on life apart from that, she feels your absence more deeply. She feels the space you leave in her daily routine, and that is when the longing begins. A short period of silence can be powerful enough to make her feel, yes, I miss his talks so much. Step 2. Emotional connection is greater than physical presence. A girl doesn't miss you just because you are not around. She misses you because of how you make her feel. This is the reason why emotional connection is more powerful than physical presence. If you want her to think about you constantly, you have to reach her heart. Create unforgettable moments. Get out of the small talk, yeah. Talk about her dreams. Really try to understand her fears and passions. When she feels that you truly understand her, a strong emotional bond is formed. Whether it's a random road trip, a deep late-night conversation, or a funny inside joke that only the two of you understand, all of these stick in her mind. And whenever she remembers these moments, she misses you. Be her emotional safe space. If she feels that she can share her emotions with you without any judgment, then both her trust and attachment grow. She starts to feel comfortable and secure with you. Even small, thoughtful things have a deep impact. Sometimes, a heartfelt message without any reason or a small thing that she remembers touches her heart. If you can make her laugh genuinely, create joyful moments with her, then when you are not around, she misses those moments, not just you, but the feeling that came with you. Number 3, the push and pull effect. This push and pull game is a powerful tool of psychology that makes attraction addictive. Women are naturally drawn to men who sometimes give her full attention and sometimes hold back a little. Just enough to make her think, where did he go now? This is not manipulation, but a game of balance, a little closeness, a little mystery. Suppose sometimes you give her full attention, make her feel special, give her compliments and make her day. Then pull back a little distance, a little space. This contrast will make her appreciate your presence more. If you always say how beautiful you are, then she starts taking compliments for granted. But if you stop complimenting her a little, then she thinks, what happened to him? Why is he not complimenting me now? And she starts craving your validation. A little mystery is also important. So don't reveal every detail of your life, Yar. Create some curiosity in her mind. She should be thinking, what is this guy doing? Where is he busy? When she is curious about you, she automatically misses you more. If you are always predictable and available, the excitement fades a little, right? But add a little uncertainty. She will start asking herself, when will he message? When will we meet? This anticipation, trust me, keeps the attraction alive. Number 4. Become the best version of yourself. Now, this funda is a game changer. Women miss men who are valuable, you know? People who are rare and difficult to replace. If you are constantly improving yourself, she will feel a fear of missing out. She starts thinking, what to do if someone else understands his value? Focus on your passion and personal growth. A driven, goal-oriented guy is naturally attractive. When she sees that you are chasing your dreams and not just sitting around her, she will admire you. Plus, show off your vibrant social life. It really makes a difference. Have friends, hobbies, and a different scene for yourself. When she knows that your life doesn't revolve around her, she will crave your time and attention even more. Confidence is the hero. How you walk, how you talk, how you carry yourself, all send a message. A confident guy is unforgettable. Learn new skills, develop hobbies. It adds depth to your personality. When she sees that you are continuously evolving, she gets intrigued and wants to be a part of your journey. And yes, take care of your appearance. Looking good is not just about looks, but about self-confidence. Add a little style, a little grooming, and a magnetic vibe of confidence will be created automatically. Number 5. Social proof and jealousy. When she sees that other people value you, admire you, your desirability just skyrockets. A vibrant social life, confidence, and a hint of a little healthy competition. All this boosts attraction. When she realizes that other people also find you interesting and engaging. A seed of longing gets planted in her heart. She thinks, hey, he is everyone's favorite. But friend, balance is very important here. If you overdo it too much, drama can start, and if you do it a little correctly, she will emotionally invest more in you. How? Just casually mention that you were hanging out with a friend or share exciting moments of your life. Like, I went to an event yesterday and had a lot of fun. Show your social energy naturally. It gives her the feeling that you are a valuable person to hold on to. And when she gets the slightest hint that you are in demand, her mind works against itself. She thinks someone else might like you and tries to get closer to you. Number 6. The lasting impression. Now this is the real heart-winning funda. The strongest longing comes when you leave a deep emotional imprint in her heart. This is not some mind games. This is the art of creating unforgettable moments. Whether it is a unique inside joke, a song that reminds her of you, or a shared experience that no one else can replicate. These little things make you unforgettable. So, how do you make her laugh? How do you comfort her in tough times? Or how do you challenge her to be the best version of herself? All this honestly creates an emotional attachment in her heart. When you build a meaningful connection, she doesn't just, miss you, she actually craves you. Alright, conclusion time. If you've come this far, you now have all the tools you need to make a place in any girl's heart. But remember, it's not about manipulation. It's about building something real, something unforgettable. So do share your experience in the comments. Maybe your story will help someone else too. If you liked this video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because we will be back with more such powerful relationship tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.